If you've been training chest for a while and you're not getting that pump that you really want to feel, and especially inside here, the middle part of your chest, that's kind of hard to get at. I got a quick dual training exercise that you're going to love. Watch how you do it. Pretty straightforward. Stick with your normal bench, dumbbell bench press. Typical range of motion. Put the weights down. End of the bench. End of the bench. Diamond push-ups. Straight down. Feel it inside here. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Now, 10, 10, rest, 10, 10, 3, 4 sets. Your chest is going to be on fire. Now, you want more tips like this. If you're a man over 40, you want to be stronger, healthier, fitter, head on over to Grow Pro Thrive. That's where I'm going to help you rebuild your body right from the inside out, ground up. Look forward to seeing you there.